So guys, for the first method, you want to head over to search and type in WINVER. Click on it. And then once this comes up, it's going to be showing us our Windows version. So I'm running Windows 11 Pro. If you're running Windows Home, if it says for you Home right here, this does not have gpedit. That's why it's not working for you. So you're going to have either Pro, Education or Enterprise. If you're using Home, you can upgrade your edition through the Microsoft Store. This should not fix your problem. If you're running a Windows edition that is not Home and it's still not working for you, then for the second method, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Now, you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you run this, you're going to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. Then you want to run the scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And then once that's been done, you now want to type in DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Click on enter again. You now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And then once you complete that scan, you just want to restart your computer. And then this should not fix your problem.